Perhaps you've tried to create a document where you had text and images and you tried to put them together in a way that was easily formatted. And, often we'll try to use something like Google Docs or Word to do this, but get somewhat frustrated by its lack of flexibility in doing that. So today's tech tip is going to look at how we can easily do that to create a document that looks something like this, and using a presentation software. And so PowerPoint or Keynote or Google Slides can help with this. But today we're just going to use Google Slides. So I'm just going to create a Google Slides presentation. And I'm going to select blank. Now you can pick a theme. I'm just going to keep it a plain theme, and then a layout. Now most often blank or one with a title and then a text box is appropriate. But you may also want it to be printable on a letter size piece of paper. So to do that, we're just going to go to File, Page Setup, and then select Custom. And here we're going to add in the dimensions. So in this case, it's going to be a letter size, which is 8.5 by 11, and apply. And so now you have a document that is letter size. And we might want to add a title. And then we can add text. And what I like about this is I can manage this text box and just make it smaller. And then I can just add some text. Or I can just go and add a text box. So now I'm ready for my images. So I can just grab them from my desktop or wherever I have them. I can insert them. In this case, I'm going to drag and drop, change the size, and you can see I can move it anywhere I want. So now I can even move my text so that it aligns with the image however I want it to align. I can use different features like arrows to point to things. And then I can even format my images to make them stand out a bit more, like add a border or a drop shadow. Then once you're done, you can either share this document for others to either edit or view, or you can export it or download it, as a PDF. So there's a way to create a document that's much more manageable in terms of text and images.